So, we're not using YouTube. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, let's go. You're like, wait a minute. This will be the fast. It's octopus and stuff. Oh my god. Oh, wag muna tanggalin. Alright. So we have, okay, hello guys. Oh my g guys. This is already dry. I have this. This is already dry, bro. Can someone help me clean this up? Excuse me. Can someone put this in the bag? Okay. Someone put this in the bag. Every clay is dry, you mean? Let's have a little water. So it can... We don't know what's this. So we're just tape things. Let's try it. This one, no. It's double-sided tape. It's not. It's not? You can put water in it, right? What a freak. Yeah. What did you do? What did you do? Now I'm gonna spread it. Because you already know what you're gonna do. Which one?
Sila na lang last minute ng bahay. Kahit naman magsumbong sila sa guard, hindi kaya hindi mga nagbibidyo ka nga eh.
Oh my gosh, it's so soft and airy. Oh my gosh, you're making this. Yeah, I know.
Oh God!
But these
Wax off?
Mobs? Don't show this to Mobs. He might make a mess.
Wow!
What's this for? He's gonna squish it. Okay, I'm just gonna watch you guys.
It's turning brownie.
Now it's already fixed.
This?
So these are the things that is inside. And I found this. It's just on the table. Why is it like that? It's inflated. Can someone get some scissors? Okay.
What's that song?
Yes, you go get the scissors
Wow, you see?
outside.
Whoa.
Oh shit.
What?
I think I broke it. Oh my goodness. Somebody help me.
Bye.
Yes, what? Is that nano
Look
tape?
at your arm. Bye.
That's nano tape. Is that nano tape?
So,
I think this is a goodbye because I already one negative of a 0. It's so messy.
Guys, what are you doing?
Nice. Guys, if you